welcome back to my channel. It's Namy here, and yeah, okay, so today I'm just going to be taking some photos for my thrift store, and I just thought it'd be fun to show you guys how I turn my living room into like my studio, or you know, like a photo shoot place. Yep. Okay, so yep, I'm gonna show you that. Okay, so this is basically my whole living room. Yeah, like there's not much to it. There's my door, like this is the storeroom and that's the door. So yeah, this is the living room, the whole space. I usually just set up the backdrop here. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be setting up here. I'm just gonna get rid of this table, and then yeah, you'll see. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you like what I use for the backdrop itself. So this is the cloth, like this is the backdrop cloth thing that I bought. So like it came as a set, like the stand, which is like these two things with that rod. There was like the stand itself was $60, and like the cloth itself was $60. And like, I mean, okay, that they're like the professional one and like the quality one, whatever, like I was willing to pay like that amount because it's a long-term investment for me. And I look so weird from this all angles. Okay, yeah, so I invested this money to get it because I didn't want to do like a makeshift one and have it not be nice, or like I wanted to make sure it lasts for long. So yeah, I bought it, and it's been with me for 6 months, and there's no mishap, no anything yet. This is definitely harder to do when you're alone. Yeah, but we live that independence life, so it's fine. All that I say is true. Just let me show you. Done. So for this side, this is where I just put all the clothes that I'm going to be shooting today, so that I don't miss any out. Like I've just started doing this because I realized I have a rack that I can use, because I use a rack for like the pop-up stores. It's not like mine. So yeah, these are just some things. Oh shit. And later. And these are some things that I'm gonna be shooting today. Yeah, I think this is so cute. Like someone got rid of this. Like, let me show you. Okay, yeah, so this is actually so cute. Like, it's a like off-shoulder sweater, crochet. Is it not? Yeah, it's like crochet with these colors are amazing. And like I could see an eagle wear this, because there's this type of like I don't know what sequins, what are they, like jewels, I don't know, yeah, plastic jewels I guess, like hung around the shoulder area or the neckline area. Yeah, so I really hope someone buys this because it's so cute, and like I wouldn't want it to go to waste. Yep. Okay, so this is the end product, I guess. Yeah. Okay, let me give you a tour. A tour of my studio. Okay, so this was about the angle that I took just now of like what my living room looks like. Okay, so blah blah, walking into my studio. Right, so we have this chair in the middle of the backdrop. So this is to give me an estimate of where I or the model will stand so that I can put the light. I just want to because I just want to make sure that because I didn't bother steaming the whole thing, just the majority that will be in the picture. So I should just put it there so I can just make sure that there's no wrinkles behind. See all that can be that won't be in the shot. Yep. So and my lamp, I use the IKEA $20 lamp for my studio lighting. Yep. And yeah, so that's basically it. So I don't know, maybe let me show you. So the lighting is pretty I just almost fell off my chair. So the lighting is pretty good. See how it's a white background, no wrinkles at the back. Oh, yeah. Yep, so as a model, this is what I'm looking at. Look at my TV, the lamp, and the wire rack, or the rack, and Bobby on the floor. Hi Joe. Oh, she's playing with the ball. So cute. Whoa. Yeah, so anyways, thank you so much for watching this video of me turning my living room into my studio, and I hope you guys learned something or enjoyed watching me do something that you wouldn't do yourself. Yeah. And a little promotion here. Shout out. Follow my Instagram thrift store. It's a sustainable thrift store. It's called @Lion City Thrift. I'm moving my head here because I think I'm gonna put the word here. Yeah. So thanks, follow me, and yeah, let's shop sustainably, guys. Shop consciously. Let's buy less and buy smarter. Okay, bye.